What is going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com, and I want to show you this new site that I've been using. It's called Optimal Bucks. I'll leave the link to it in the description. Very, very simple site. I'm gonna show you some things, how easy it is to make money with it. But in this site alone, I am making $20 a day. Now, I know that might seem kind of crazy or unheard of when it comes to making money online with some of these sites that I've been showing you, but I'm going to show you proof that I'm making this money. All right. So first, I'm gonna go here into my account, right, and just show you my history and all that kind of stuff like that. Now, I'm gonna scroll down right here in payments received. You see, I have $2,713.53. Okay, I've been making a lot of money with this site. Like I said, $20 a day. It's a method to do that. Now, it's not something that everybody knows, but like I said, when you book a session with me, like I've said so many times, this is one of the sites that I show people, and I show them how to do this. You know what I'm saying? Because if people just sign up and they just start doing whatever, they're not going to make that kind of money because they don't know what they're doing. But I kind of explain it to you in my session. I explain all of it, all the details, and make it very simple for you to understand. So, real quick, I'm gonna go to my withdrawal history, just so you can see the payments that have been sent to me. Now you see here my last three payments are $92. Before that, I had 29.77, 92, 92, 92, 47, 84. I mean, all of these payments, they went to my AirTM account. Now, if you're not familiar with AirTM, it's basically like a payment processor similar to PayPal, things like that. If you don't have one, it's not a problem. I can get you set up with it. Anybody can join it. It's completely free to sign up. It's easy to use. I also explain that in my sessions as well. But I just want to show you how easy it is to make money with this site. All right, now, um, I'm just going to scroll down a little bit just to show you even more cash outs that I'm doing. I mean, telling you guys, it's money in this site. You know what I'm saying? You just have to really understand what you're doing. And like I said, in my sessions, I explain that to you thoroughly, how to make $20 a day with this site. Now, the reason I'm cashing out $92 all of these times is because the most you can cash out at one time is $100, and the fee is actually $8 when you cash out with AirTM. I think it's a little different with Skrill. Skrill is another payment processor, but when you're making $20 a day, $8 fee is really nothing. Honestly, I mean, it might sound high, but like I said, $20 a day. I mean, you're not even going to think about it. You're going to get $92 in your account every time. And then I look at it like this: when you're paying these fees to these sites, that's helping them stay around longer. You know what I'm saying? So just look at it like that. Just you're not signing up for a site that's a scam, because I'm showing you proof here that I'm getting the money into my account. I'm putting it right into my AirTM account and taking it right to my bank. So it is very simple to use. I do want you guys to sign up for this site. And then once you sign up for this site, I want you to book a session with me. All right. So I want you to go to my website, pennies1000s.com, click on the book of sessions tab, and we can get started. And I can show you, all kind of different ways to make money. This site in particular, I can show you how to make $20 a day. And not only that, in my sessions, I show you how to make $150 every single day online. All right. It's very simple to use, very simple to do. I've taught plenty of people so far since I've been offering these sessions. And the thing about it is, like I show you, this is just one of the sites that I show you. Like I said, this is $20. And the other things that I'm going to show you, other sites and other apps to use, it's going to come out to a little bit over $130 a day. So, like I said, I want you guys to get started with that, book a session. But when you come on this site, like I said, I'll leave the link to this site in the description. And I'll also leave the link to, book a session with me so that I can show you how to make, a lot of money online. But I'm going to show you real quick how to do this. All right, now just briefly. So when you sign up for an account and all that kind of stuff, this is what your account will look like. But you will have right here. You say have a diamond membership. Diamond membership is not free, but I'm going to show you how to sign up for the site completely free, not investing any money, and to actually, get your account up to the next level. Get some referrals. So the thing about it is, when I tell people about referrals, they're like, "Oh, it's hard for me to get referrals." And I'm gonna show you something. I only have 5 direct referrals. Okay, 5 direct referrals. That's people that I've gotten to sign up directly under me. This 5,000 rented referrals, that is where my money's coming from. This is what's making me $20 a day. And the thing about it is, you rent them. You know what I'm saying? Once you rent them, you can basically, extend them so you don't have to lose them. But I'll show you all of that in my session. Very easy. Again, you do not have to put any of your own money in there right now. I literally just cashed out like a few minutes ago and I already got $3 back in my account. So I'm going to show you how to make this money. I'm going to show you how to reinvest into the site, like the money that you make from the site, how to put it back in there so you can get, some rented referrals and keep building up. 5,000 is actually the max. Like I said, I'm going to show you how to get that. It's very simple. Just stick with me, book the session. That's what I'm going to explain to you. And that is going to get you making this money. All right. So again, I'll leave the link to this site in the description. And right here, all you're doing when it comes to earn money, you're going to click on this earn money tabs and view advertisement. That is all you're doing. That is all that is required on your part. Now to make the $20 a day, you're not going to get that from viewing the ads, obviously, but you need to view the ads in order to actually earn from your referrals. So basically what I do is I go on here and I just try to review as many ads as I can. And you see here, they're only worth like a tenth of a penny. Their money's not going to come there, but you got to start doing this, build your account up and, things like that, get some referrals, all that kind of stuff. But like I said, I'm going to show you how to do that. You can have your account looking like this within the next week or so. It all depends on you just putting in the work. Start first by booking a session. I'm going to explain all of this to you. So I just want to show you guys that $20 a day is in your future. If you get started with me, sign up for the site, book a session, invest in yourself. If you want to make $150 a day, I can teach you. I know there's so many people out there that want to make money online and some that are making money, but they're not making enough. There are very few people that are making $150 a day. I am one of the few. I'm actually making more than that, but I'm going to show you how to do that. Very simple. Book a session a day, get started with me. Click on my website, penniesandthousands.com. You can see other ways I'm making money, other different sites, other different, apps to use, all that kind of good stuff. But if you want to make $150 a day, I cannot stress this enough. I am the guy to see. Book a session today, get started with me, and always remember every penny counts.